Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this tablet through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up settings, scroll all the way down to system and update, and then scroll down and you'll find reset option. Click on it, select reset tablet. This will give you a message that resetting your tablet will remove everything that is listed right here. So if you want to keep some of those things, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Anyway, from here all you need to do is scroll all the way down and select reset tablet. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I have a pattern, so quickly confirm it. And actually it gives us an option to back it up right here, so if you need to create a backup copy of your device, you can do it from here. But I'm not going to be doing it, so I'll jump straight to reset tablet, which will tell me that I need to log out of the account. So select log out. Okay, that was kind of pointless. And as you can see, it's going to now start resetting. So this will probably take a couple of minutes to finish up. And once it's completed, we should be greeted with the setup screen. So anyway, I'll come back once this is finished. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.